coming to the next part of this chapter. So, here Ranga is comparing his situation when all of a sudden Ratna stops singing. He just compare a situation to a good quality mango, means best quality mango. Like how? Suppose you buy the best quality mango. You eat it slowly, savoring its peel before biting into the juicy flesh. You don't want to waste any part of it. Before you take another bite, the fruit slips out of your hand and falls to the ground. How did you feel? Ranga's face showed the same disappointment when the singing stopped. You sent for me? He asked as he came in and sat on chair. Ratna stood at a distance, her head lowered. Ranga repeatedly glanced at her. Once our eyes met and he looked very embarrassed. No one spoke for a long while. So, what happened here? The narrator, he is saying, he is, comparing Ranga's situation to a disappointment of dropping a best quality mango on the floor just before having uh, to true enjoy it, right? Means you haven't enjoyed that juicy flesh of mango, and at that time only the fruit slips from you. uh, it you can say that it was as if someone great had been stolen before one could fully enjoy it. Ranga asked the narrator that why he called him. When Ranga is like talking to narrator, he just asked that why he called him. So at that time Ratna, she just became very shy and looked downwards, whereas Ranga, he just started glancing at her, means Ranga was staring at her. So you can say that this is actually an very awful situation in the room, and Ratna, she just went to another room just because of shyness. It was my coming in that stopped the singing. Let me leave. Words, mere words. So here he is saying that I guess that just because I entered in room, so that you just stop singing. So he feel that it would be better that I should leave. Words, mere words. The fellow said he would leave but did not make a move. He said this, but he didn't want to make a move, means his intention was not to go. How can one expect word to match action in these days of Kali Yuga? Ratna ran inside, overcome by shyness. So, what happened? Like after things went a bit awkward, Ranga said that he feels that it was his coming that stopped the singing, so it's better that he should leave. But however, he did not. He stayed there only. The narrator here, he just make fun of him, and he said that no, that he is not having any intention of going. And he said that he also it's like a joke. He said a joke that one cannot expect action and words to match in this Kali Yuga. Obviously, it's not necessary that whatever you are saying you should do, and in this Kali Yuga, it's not necessary that words, mere words, words which you have said, you will going to do that only. After a while, Ranga asked, "Who is that girl, Swami? Who's that inside?" The lion wanted to know. The he-goat who had taken shelter in the temple replied, "Does it matter?" So this is like a comparison of a short story, right? Does it matter who I am? I am poor animal who had eaten 9 lions. I have vowed to eat one more. Tell me, who are you? Male or female? The lion fled the place in fear, it seems. Like the he-goat, I said, what does it matter to either of us? Who is she? I'm already married and you aren't the marrying kind. So what happened after few minutes of silence? Ranga finally asked the narrator about the girl. Now the narrator compared the situation with very so he just compared the situation with a story of he goat and loin, where he is the he goat and Ranga is the loin. So here the narrator replied very cleverly and intent on seeing Ranga interest in knowing about Ratna, right? Because he said that does it matter to you who I am? I am just a poor animal who had eaten 9 loins. So here he goat is saying that I am poor animal who have eaten 9 loin, and my interest is to eat one more. Tell me, you are male or female? Means this is like he goat is saying to lion. The lion fled the place in fear, and just because of fear, the lion just went away. It seems like he goat, I said, what does it matter to either of us? Who is she? So here he is saying that who is she is not of that much important, because he is already married and Ranga doesn't intend on marrying anytime, right? So here he is saying that I am married, and like you can say that you are not, means Ranga is not interested or he is on the marrying kind.